In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new bill in your accounting software efficiently and accurately. Recording bills is a crucial part of managing your business finances, ensuring you stay on track with your payables and maintain a clear picture of your financial obligations. So, let's dive into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First, we start by navigating to the accounting section of your software dashboard. This section is where all the magic happens for managing your financial records. Once you're in the accounting section, look for the Bills option. This is where you can view and manage all your existing bills, making sure everything is paid on time and properly documented. Once you have your Bills interface open, you'll want to click on New Bill. This button is typically located prominently within the section, making it easy to add a new entry anytime you receive an invoice or bill from a supplier. Clicking on New Bill will bring up the bill entry form, where you will input all the relevant details about this new bill. Now, let's talk about the details you need to enter. The first thing you need to do is choose the supplier. This is the company or vendor from whom you've purchased goods or services. Most accounting software allows you to select from a pre-existing list of suppliers, which can save you some time. If it's a new supplier, the software will usually provide an option to add their details to your records. Next, enter the date you received the invoice. This is important for record keeping and helps track when the service was rendered or the goods were received. Make sure this date matches the one on the invoice itself to avoid any discrepancies later on. Following the date, you'll find a field for the invoice number. This number is usually provided on the supplier's invoice and plays a critical role in organizing and referencing documents later. It's a unique identifier for the transaction, so be sure to double-check its accuracy. Now it's time to add the line item details. Here is where you detail what the invoice is for, whether it's a service, a product, or any other charge. Enter each item separately, detailing the quantity, description, unit price, and the total amount. Adding each line item separately ensures complete transparency and helps in accurate bookkeeping. Finally, after thoroughly checking all the information you've entered to ensure its accuracy, it's time to click Approve. Approving the bill confirms that everything is in order, and it logs the transaction into your accounting records. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records remain up-to-date, accurate, and ready for any future referencing or financial analysis. It's a small task with significant importance, and now you're equipped to handle it smoothly and confidently.